Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to change your screensaver settings. So first and foremost, you're going to want to go to the start menu, right? And then you're going to search up screen, and then change screensaver should be the first one, and then you're going to go to settings for your screensaver there, and then it's going to well, you hit preview, but you go to settings and you should be able to change the settings there, your textures, the width, the floor, the ceiling. Different screensavers have different setups, but once you do that, you can preview it and you can see it change, which is pretty dope. I have the old Windows 98 screensaver. If you want to know how to install it on your Windows 11, I have another video made for this. But yeah, so that's how you change your settings for different screensavers there. You can even change it for the bubbles there, which is pretty dope. But yeah.